the clouds slowly drift away. Down in the village, everybody knew if trouble came, they'd come running through. But nothing happened, the hours passed slow. He kicked at the grass with nowhere to go. The one little thought made him grin ear to ear. What if I gave them something to fear? He filled up his lungs, he knew what to do, then shouted so loudly the whole valley knew. Whoa, whoa, everybody run! Up the hill they came, but there wasn't one. Whoa, whoa, laughing in the sun, cry one too many times, till nobody comes. He laughed as they turned and headed back down, shaking their heads on the way into town. He watched them go and thought that was great. I bet I can fool them again if I just wait. So later that day when the air was still, another loud cry went rolling downhill. The villagers stopped, they had heard this before, but up through the fields came running once more. They reached the top, they looked all around. No teeth, no claws, no wolf to be found. Whoa, whoa, everybody run! Up the hill they came, but there wasn't one. Whoa, whoa, laughing in the sun, cry one too many times, till nobody comes. Grew long at the edge of the trees, and something moved low through the brush and the leaves. Two yellow eyes and a flash of gray. This time the wolf wasn't going away. The boy froze still, then stumbled back. The wolf moved closer along the track. No joke in his voice, no laugh in his cry. He turned toward the village and shouted no lie. Wolf, wolf, please, somebody run! But nobody moved, nobody came. They heard his voice and remembered the game. He shouted again till his throat went sore, but the words they had trusted were trusted no more.